Hello everyone and welcome back to our ServiceNow HRSD series. In today's video, we will be exploring HRSD integration, a critical component that connects HRSD with the third-party systems, ensuring seamless data exchange and automation. In this session, we will cover how HRSD integrates with external HR systems, importing and managing employee data effectively, and using APIs for automation, best practices to ensure smooth integration. Let's dive in. Connecting HRSD with third-party systems. Workday, SAP, and other HR systems. HRSD integrate with various HR management platforms such as Workday for employee records, SAP SuccessFactors for talent management, and Oracle HCM for HR operations. These integration enable seamless HR process automation across systems. Then integrating with payroll platforms, HRSD can connect with payroll systems like ADP, Paycom, and Workday Payroll to automate salary processing, track payroll related HR cases, ensuring compliance with payroll regulations. This reduces manual errors and improves payroll accuracy. Then real-time data sync and updates. Integration allows our real-time updates for employee onboarding and offboarding, role and department changes, leave and benefit updates. Real-time syncing ensures data consistency across all HR systems. Then managing integration security. Security is critical in integration, and HRSD provides secure API authentication, data encryption to protect sensitive information, access control to restrict HR data exposure. Now let's explore how to import and manage employee data effectively. Importing and managing employee data. Using Integration Hub for data imports, HRSD leverages integration hubs to import bulk employee data from external HR systems, automate scheduled data sync, ensure seamless HR data flow. This eliminates manual data entry errors. Then automating data validation. HRSD provides built-in data validation rules to check for missing employee details, validate department and role assignments, ensure compliance with HR policies. This ensures data accuracy before processing. Then managing error and logs. Errors in integration can be tracked using HRSD logs, allowing admins to identify failed data imports, resolve missing or incorrect records, set up notification for integration failures. This helps maintain data integrity in HR systems. Ensuring data consistency. To avoid data mismatch, HRSD synchronizes data automatically, allows bidirectional data flow between HRSD and third-party systems, provides reconciliation reports to track differences. Now let's look at API integration in HRSD. Introduction to APIs in HRSD. APIs allow HRSD to communicate with external applications, enabling automated case creation, data retrieval and updates, integration with HR chatbots and third-party platforms. APIs help in enhancing HR workflows and improving system connectivity. Creating REST integrations. HRSD supports REST API integration, allowing fetching employee data from external systems, sending HR case updates to third-party apps, triggering HR actions based on API request. REST APIs are scalable and widely used in integration. Automating case creation via APIs. With API automation, HRSD can automatically create HR cases for external forms, sync employee requests from third-party HR tools, trigger HR approval based on the API calls. This speeds up HR case resolution and improves workflow automation. Then monitoring API performance. HRSD provides API monitoring tools, track API success and failure rates, measure response times, ensure API endpoints and functioning correctly. Now let's move on the best practices for integration. Ensuring seamless data flow. For smooth integration, organizations should use standardized data formats like JSON, XML, enable real-time data syncing, avoid duplicate data entries. This keeps HR data clean and organized. Then reducing integration errors. To minimize errors, validate data before syncing, set up automated error notification, perform regular integration testing. Error reduction ensures reliable HR process, then aligning HR workflows with systems. HRSD integration should align with HR onboarding and offboarding process, payroll and benefit updates, employee training and compliance tracking. This ensures end-to-end process automation. Then real-world integration examples. Companies using HRSD integration have achieved faster HR case resolution with automated case creation, seamless payroll processing with integrated platforms, better compliance tracking with third-party HR system. Integrating HRSD with external tool enhance efficiency and service quality. HRSD integration plays a crucial role in connecting HR processes with external systems. Whether you are integrating with HR management platform, payroll systems or APIs. A well-planned integration strategy ensures seamless data flow and automation. Thank you for watching this video on HRSD integration. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing ServiceNow HRSD.